In this video, I'm going to teach you how to unclog a kitchen sink. And the reasons why they can become clogged is because of grease, debris, hair, food particles sometimes get trapped in the line. And if you have a double sink, that just means that you have two arms from each one of the outlets of the sink that run into a T and that runs down to one line. So that's why both of the sinks get clogged, because they both connect to one line. Now, one of the things that people get misconstrued about liquid Drano is if your sink is full of water, how is that going to work? So it's best before you use your liquid Drano to get a bucket and get a cup or get a small bowl and dish out as much water as you can. Then you pour your liquid Drano, wait a few hours, then check on that. 9 times out of 10, that will take care of your problem. Now here we have a double sink and they're both clogged. And the reason that they're both clogged is they both have two arms that go into a thing that's called a T. And then they go down to the P track. Now, so your line coming up is one line, but there's a fork in the road where it goes out to both pipes. So when that one line gets clogged up, both of these sinks cannot drain properly. So that's the issue there. The first one I said was some liquid Drano Max Gel. I got this at the Family Dollar for $10. You can run up there and grab this and try this first. But as you can see, there's lots of water already inside of them. So this is not going to work that proper because it has so much water that's already in it, and it's just going to liquefy this even more. Now, before you apply the method with the liquid Drano, I suggest that we try to get as much water out of this sink as we can. Because the closer we can get to the drain with the liquid Drano, the faster that it can work. Pouring it in a bunch of water is just going to dilute it a little bit more, so it's going to take longer to work. But if we want to get every ounce of liquid Drano to really start working on this plumbing, we need to make sure that all of it is reaching inside of the pipe. So let's get yourself a bucket. It doesn't have to be a 5-gallon bucket like this one, but get yourself a bucket, a bowl, or a cup, and start getting some of the water out. Let's take some of the water out of both sinks, and then we're going to pour our liquid plumber inside of the sink. See, this doesn't take long. Look at that. You'll have this done in no time. Look at that. The water's almost gone in that way. You follow me? Come on. Let's go to the next one. Follow along. We got this. With this one here, we almost got it. It won't take you long to realize that your sink is clogged when you're putting water in it anyway. All right. Look at that. It doesn't take long. Look how much money you could be saving by just doing these simple things yourself. There's a little bit of debris in here. We'll take this out. And this water also that you're dipping out of here, don't pour it back into your plumbing. Take it out back and pour it in the grass or something. I mean, I don't know if that's, it's just a little bit of soapy water. It's not going to kill the grass. It ain't like I'm cooking anything exotic in this house. I'm not. All right. So we have our liquid Drano. It's a bigger size. It's only cost $10. And we just pour it in here. Let's move this bucket out of the way. Pour half of it in here. It really doesn't matter. We'll put half in here. There we go. And we'll come back in a couple hours and see how it turns out. See, you're getting it. You're getting it. You guys want to know something? It worked. I put this in 2 hours ago and I came back and it's completely clear. And it looks cleaner too. Like it just looks so clean inside of there. Let's get a close up on that. Look how clean that looks. Like it's almost like I washed it, and that's just from the liquid Drano. That's how good that stuff cleans. It cleaned. The sink even looks fresh, and it has a nice smell to it too. Let's take a look at the bottle again. It's that liquid Drano Gel Max Pro Strength, and it's great on tough hair clogs and guarantees, or it's free. I mean, it really did a great job. It smells good, and the sink looks so clean now inside. Even the piping down there, there was a little black like grain down there. It is so clean now. I can't believe this. Well, there you have it, folks.